Welcome back to Junkyard Day. What are we doing today? We are looking for parts to a car we don't even own yet. That's how we roll. The first good thing is we're going to find, and we found a Cobalt with an armrest, due to the fact that the Cobalt SS that we bought for a winter car does not come with one. So we are going to take this one. Jeff is with us today. I don't know why the higher models would not have the seat seized. What is it? Oh, there's that bracket come off. It looks like that pops off there. It does too, right there. Yeah, I gotta move it. So you see, we're gonna rob one out of a 4-door sedan, just for the fact is I don't know why it wouldn't have an armrest. Armrest looks to be pretty decent, which is a bonus. We're gonna find what we can find for rear glass for our. Should we tell them what we're doing yet?
I don't know. Give a hint, anyways.
For the truck build. Kind of a weird build. We don't own the car yet. Fuck it. It is a Civic truck that we're going to be building. So we're looking for rear sliding glass or roll down glass, glass roof.
Just slides in.
And now we have a center console for the SS winter car that we will show you guys later. We will continue on with the Kenny UPull. Unfortunately, right now it's really windy, so there's no point in having you guys go the whole time. If we find some cool glass, I'll let you know. We'll go from there. So we are back, and we think we found what we're looking for the back of the Civic truck, which is going to be a rear glass that powers down. So we found this 4Runner.
Yeah.
4Runner with a rear power glass, but before we decide that we're going to take it, we are going to add power to the motor to see if it works before we decide to take it. Now, this salvage yard that we were at has a no policy for batteries and stuff. So we're going to jimmy up the DeWalt battery there with a positive and ground to see if we can get this to work. I kind of feel bad because Jeff's doing all the work right now. But we're going to pop this down, and it actually is probably the right size that we're going to need to make our Civic truck. We do want a glass moonroof, and we want, well, we started off wanting a sliding rear glass, but then we came across, what was it, a Super Sport Explorer or Sport Track?
Yeah, it was the Sport Track, yeah.
And we figured the Sport Track had the power. We're like, that would be really cool. And then we found this, which is way bigger, so we thought this would be cool for the Civic build. So we're gonna pop this off. We're gonna see what we have. It is a little rotten, so we're just gonna expose the motor to get power to it. Make sure you leave a comment if you actually think this is gonna be a good idea or a bad idea. Surprisingly, we have 4 projects to do in like 3 months. So it's gonna be a busy time. If you watch the other video, we bought a turbo kit for a vehicle we don't even own yet. So the Civic truck will be a D16, probably vtec. We don't own the car yet, so who knows what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be turboed for sure. So here is the window motor and regulator. Looks like it's all intact. It should be 2 wires, which it looks like right here. Right here's the power.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, I'm just trying to follow them back here, so we were gonna cut it a little bit further back.
So good thing is we're gonna make this work somehow, one way or another. Looks like it goes to a brain. Regulator?
Relay. Yeah, power relay.
Yeah, we don't need that. Windows don't need that. We can put it on relay anyways.
Yeah. Okay, chopping it in.
Chop it just back right here where it's the most easiest, which is just going to be the 2 wires. Well, it might be 4 because it looks like there's a relay there. Actually, looks like a stop switch is what it is.
I'm assuming yes. Let me see.
It's going to be the
it's just gonna.
It's a stop switch for the window. I'm going to sit down as Jeff does this a little bit, just so you guys can actually see what I'm seeing instead of. So we cut it back some. It's going to be 4 wires. 2 of them's going to be for the switch. So if you look at the wiring here, it's really small. But if you look at the big ones, you're going to have a red and green one, and that's going to be the power up. So one's going to be up, and one's going to be down. So if we strip it back, we should be able to. So it's going to be the red with the white chaser and solid green by the looks of it.
Yeah, see if it works or not.
So if this works, we're definitely going to make this work.
Taken out by the panel.
I do apologize for the wind noise and stuff. We have been battling rain and wind.
Yeah, we chose a wonderful day for this.
So we have 2 tabs here. So it should be power. We're gonna make this work. I don't know. It's a whole new situation.
This is what we did like in my robotics class at school, so it literally works. A 12-volt supply.
So the window does go down. Goes down all the way. Okay, come down a little bit. I think that regulator's broke. Stop it. Right there.
Oh, it's off the track, yeah.
Track's rotten.
Yeah. You fix that up though, that's not a big deal. It's not a bracket.
It looks like it's right out of the regulator itself.
No, it's just it just sits in that track. We'll look at that. Pop that side off so we can tell.
So it does work, which is a bonus. Which is good, because technically if we want to use a window switch, we just need a three-way. This one looks, I can't really see, and I don't think you guys can see. We'll come down a little bit. Jeez. It's in right there. There's no window frame on this side. No window frame.
Yeah, it just sits in here and that.
So this one has the window frame.
No, not even in it. That's rotted off there.
Yeah.
It works though. I don't know.
See, that one's popped right out of, like, right out of the window altogether. But it looks like just a nut and a bolt and a new piece of sheet metal maybe. Pop.
That's what I mean. We can kind of make brackets to work with it. It's not the end of the world.
I wonder if it's better just to take one though, because we're gonna need the. Well, here's this. We're gonna leave it with us. We're gonna think if we're gonna take the whole tailgate, if it's just better to cut it and take what we need.
Yeah.
So there's the one thing we found. We found some projectors too for a nice retrofit build. So we'll make sure to keep an eye on that. We're trying to find a glass roof to have a Civic with a glass roof truck. You know, the joys of our local UPull. Stay tuned and we'll see what else. So we found the glass or half roof we're going to use for the truck build. Unfortunately, our DeWalt battery died, all three of them, 3/4 of the way, but it looks like that this manual rear roof of an Element's going to work, and we might try to see what we can do about the tailgate, so it gives you an idea. So we found the glass, rear sliding glass at that. We found a pop-up rear